Today I'm unboxing and trying out this Razer microphone stand that I was sent to try out. Inside of the box you receive the adjustable arm stand, a microphone shock absorbent mount, the desk clamp, a couple of different microphone adapter pieces, some cable clips, and a foam microphone cover. This microphone stand is super sturdy and adjustable, making it great for voiceover work, gaming, or podcasts. Plus, the included foam cover reduces noise interference. And the included cable clips make cable management a breeze.